चिड़ियों में मैंने कोई बीमारी देखी जो आसमान की चिड़िया है, ठीक है, कोई बर्ड फ्लू भी बोल सकते हैं, बट ये बर्ड फ्लू से भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा हानिकारक हो सकता है। ये ऐसा है कि जैसा मुझे होली स्पिरिट दिखा रहा है कि आप न्यूज़ में देखेंगे कि कुछ चिड़ियों को वो केज में डालने लग गए उठा उठा के, ठीक है, जितनी भी आसमान में कुछ चिड़ियाँ उड़ रही थी, तो वो वायरस, वो इन्फेक्शन एयर में ही है, ठीक है। दुष्टात्मा शैतान का काम है, बट परमेश्वर बचा रहा अपने लोगों को। और कुछ चिड़ियाँ आप देखेंगे न्यूज़ में
qualify, with new cases reported this month in at least 20 states, including at this New York duck farm where nearly 100,000 birds are set to be euthanized. The virus infecting 67 people in the last year, killing one. Public health experts warn federal agencies can't go silent.
You fear even a brief or temporary pause could have consequences amid this outbreak.
Yes, I do, because there are cases that are accumulating now. There was just guidance updates a couple of days before the Biden administration left office.
Bird flu jumping to other species, including dairy cows. The outgoing Biden administration mandating testing of America's milk supply.
There's absolutely no eggs whatsoever.
This as egg shortages mount and prices soar, up 65% in the last year. Indiana egg farmer Sam Krause has spent millions installing shower and truck washing stations.
We want, as farmers, just to focus on taking good care of our flocks, and then when we're living with this threat.
Chicago area wildlife officials warning the public to avoid sick or dead birds after euthanizing dozens in recent months.
This disease has almost 100% mortality rate in the animals that we are seeing. And so really our options are euthanize what we can, because human health is going to be the utmost priority.